I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel your membership on the Walmart app, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Open the Walmart app. Launch the Walmart app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your membership details. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your memberships. Step 3. Select Memberships. In the account settings, look for the Memberships option. This section will show you all the memberships you currently hold with Walmart. Step 4. Choose the membership to cancel. Find the specific membership you wish to cancel and tap on it. You should see an option to cancel the membership. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any confirmation messages to ensure your membership has been successfully cancelled. Remember, if you run into any issues, checking the Ads Help section can provide additional guidance. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your memberships easily.